How to set any image as a wallpaper. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set any image as your background in your desktop. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let us begin. First, you'll need to locate your image. After you locate your image, right click on it. And after you right click on it, you'll get this many options. Now right here, you should see an option that says set as desktop background. Now tap on it and there you go. Now you have set the image as your background. And it's that simple guys, and that is basically it. That is how you do it. So let's again try that. So simply right click on the image and tap on set as background wallpaper and you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.